Hi everybody, this is a report from Institut Lluís Companys. There's a little sample of creations done by pupils aged 12, first of ESO. We have read the classical novel El Lazarillo, written in the 16th century, and they have wrote news based on the chapters of the novel. They have got some newspaper template to do their works. There are a few crafts made by pupils of second year of ESO, age 13. They have to create an object that symbolizes the book, the experience of the reading, uh, parts of the content, or their opinions about the book. Besides, I want to show you the works called mini books based in the readings that the pupils have free chosen. As you can see, it's a little book based in the reading, and it's got 4 parts. They have to draw or insert images. Thank you very much.